Samsung fans, big news! The One UI 8 beta just went live for millions more Galaxy phones, and the stable version could be arriving as soon as this month. Let's break down what's new, who's getting it, and why this update is such a big deal. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest tech updates. On September 1st, 2025, Samsung officially kicked off the second phase of its One UI 8 beta program. This means both flagship and mid-range Galaxy devices are now joining the Android 16-based beta. The Galaxy S23 lineup, S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra are all included, along with the Galaxy A36, A55, A35, and A54. The beta is rolling out in select regions first: India, South Korea, the UK, and the US for the S3 series. The download size clocks in at around 3.1 GB, and it carries the firmware version, ending in Z, Y, HB. So yes, it's a hefty update, but one that packs a punch. So what's new in One UI 8? A lot. We're talking redesigned quick share, and upgraded Samsung DeX that supports screen rotation, better calendar and reminders, new camera gestures, and improved accessibility. Plus, Samsung is adding voicemail support, Auracast connectivity, and even running challenges in Samsung Health. And don't forget, every beta build includes the September 2025 security patch for extra stability and protection. Now here's the real question. When will the stable version arrive? Samsung has confirmed that the official rollout starts in September 2025, beginning with the Galaxy S25 series. That's only a few weeks away, making this one of Samsung's fastest update turnarounds yet. If you want to try the beta now, it's simple. Open the Samsung Members app, look for the One UI 8 beta banner, and enroll. Once you're in, the update should land on your phone within minutes, ready to install from settings. Next, click Software Update. So, are you signing up for the beta, or will you wait for the stable release later this month? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Samsung, Android 16, and everything tech. Thanks for watching. Peace out.